Hey everybody, I'm Labrie, and I'm also hungry. Yeah. And when you're hungry, you tend to eat. And you want to know what I feel like eating? Do you know? Well, just so you know, I feel like eating peanut butter and a jelly sandwich. That's right. Peanut butter and jelly. You got a problem? Good. So, now that we got that out the way, let's look at this peanut butter. Doesn't it look appetizing? It does? Yeah, 'cause it is. And it's jelly. Oh my God. You haven't had any jelly until you had this jelly. I tell you, man, this jelly don't play no games. This is the grape flavor too, and I'm black. Black. This is for black people. Grape jelly. And what's a peanut butter jelly sandwich without bread? Huh? And guess what? I got the bread. I'm great.